In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Google Chrome Unverified download blocked. This is something that many people encounter, and while it's designed to protect you from potentially harmful files, it can sometimes block legitimate downloads that you need. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of resolving this. First, let's start by opening Chrome settings. You'll need to launch your Google Chrome browser, and once it's open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots lined up. This is your menu button. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will navigate you to an area where you can adjust Chrome's various settings to suit your needs. Next, we're going to head over to the Security settings. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a menu. Look for the section titled Privacy and Security. Once you've found it, click on it to expand further options. Go ahead and select Security. This is where all the protective features of Google Chrome are centered, including our next step, which focuses on safe browsing. Now, under the Safe Browsing section, you'll see a few options designed to protect you from dangerous sites and downloads. What you want to do here is select the option that says No Protection. It's important to mention that this is not recommended for everyday browsing as it removes your shield against potentially harmful websites and downloads. However, for the sake of downloading something that you trust and is being blocked, we will temporarily turn this off. Once you've adjusted this setting, you'll want to go ahead and download your file. Return to the page or wherever the file you wanted to download is located and proceed with downloading it as you normally would without any interference from Chrome's security blocking it this time around. Finally, it's crucial to return safe browsing back on to protect your browsing going forward. For this, we will retrace our steps. Go back to the same settings. Click on the 3 dots, head to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally, Security. Under Safe Browsing, switch back to Standard Protection. This will reinstate the browser's protective features and keep your web experience secure. Remember, these steps are about temporarily bypassing Chrome's security settings, so always ensure that the files you download from the web are from trusted sources. That's all there is to it. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy browsing.